Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can hide a sale and sold out badges from product pages in Shopify Dawn Theme. So basically what you'll need to do is go to your online store, then themes, then edit theme, and after that you'll need to go right here and click on products, default product, and then you will see your product. What you'll need to do is click on product information and scroll down on the right menu, and then you'll see a custom CSS, so click on that one and type dot badge dot price underscore badge upper fin sale curly brackets, open it, make sure to put space before curly brackets, then click enter, then type display and then none, and as you can see, if you save it, you will be able to hide a sale and sold out badges from product pages in Shopify Dawn Theme. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.